So, sa Kaiser Long-Term Care, dito sa hierarchy, 3 na yung ina-address niya. So, sa Kaiser, may healthcare and short-term and long-term care, may protection and life insurance, at may investment. So, ang Kaiser is 3-in-1. Pag sinabi mong Kaiser, tatandaan nyo lang po is 720. 7 years ka lang pong magbabayad at 20 years kang insured. Pag-usapan naman natin yung K50 Kaiser Plan. Benefits at maturity or on the 20-year. Mayroon kang long-term care benefit na guaranteed 50,000. Okay? Mayroon kang long-term care benefit guaranteed if mali. Okay? So, yung K50 Kaiser Plan, ano yung benefit at maturity or on the 20th year? Ito naman, may long-term care benefit, guaranteed po ito 50,000. Mayroon siyang long-term care benefit bonus, guaranteed if you don't use your annual benefit limit during the 7 years. Magkano? 175,000. Mayroon din pong unused accumulated yearly health benefit, projected value of 134,875. Meron din pong unused accumulated yearly health bonus, projected value of 223,209. So kung titingnan natin yung summary of benefits at maturity or on the 20th year, mayroong total po siya na long-term care benefit, guaranteed 50,000, long-term care bonus, guaranteed if you will not use your annual benefit limit during the 7 years of 175,000. Mayroon kang unused accumulated yearly benefit of 134,875. Mayroon kang unused accumulated yearly health bonus of 223,209. Ang total benefits projected value is 583,084. Magkano ang contract price kapag K50 Kaiser Plan naman? 29,411 ang annual. So kung ita-times 7 years mo yan, ang total contract price mo sa K50 Kaiser Plan is 205,875. So kung titingnan mo, times 2, mahigit yung total benefits niya at maturity. Good or very good? Napakagandang investment, di ba? Kasi ang Kaiser, may investment na, may healthcare na, may life insurance pa. Di ba? Napakaganda. Okay, ito naman yung K50 Kaiser Plan projected value at the age of 60 and age 65. Assuming you are 30 years old now and you get your Kaiser, yung iyong bonus ay ini-start mo sa iyong Kaiser Plan. At the age of 60, ang projected value niya is 1.5 million plus. Ayaw mo pang kunin at the age of 60 kasi malakas-lakas ka pa. At the age of 65, magkano ang projected value ng pera mo? Kasi kumikita siya ng compounding interest kada taon. Mayroon pong 2.4 million plus na projected value at the age of 65. Magkano lang ang price na binayaran mo for 7 years? 205,875. Kung titignan mo, times 10. Naging times 10 yung pera mo. Good or very good? Number 4, retirement na amount. Diba? Napakaganda. Okay? So, napakaganda po na mag-start na kumuha ng Kaiser Plan. Kasi meron na siyang investment, meron na siyang insurance, meron pa siyang healthcare. Okay?